Look! I drew our family!
Beautiful, beautiful, Peter.
Mom, can I ask you something? Where did I come from? You.
We found you in a garbage bin, inside a cardboard box.
In the garbage?
Yes. So, if you're a naughty boy today, I might have to put you back there.
She is joking, right, Mr. Brave? I am not junk. I am her son.
Yes, it's old and too noisy. I'm sick of it. I'm throwing this useless junk away today.
Old, noisy, useless junk? She means me. I am the one who makes noise when I play. Mr. Brave, we cannot stay. Mom loves the family picture, but I am not in the family anymore. I will leave the picture here so she can remember me. I will go to Grandma's house. She always has warm cookies and never calls me junk. Yellow is for brave people. Let's go, Mr. Brave!
System online. Peter, why are we walking in the rain? It is 4 p.m.
We are running away, Buttons. Mom wants to throw me in the garbage.
Error. You do not have a battery or gears. You are a boy, not a broken radio. Your mom needs new glasses.
No, she was serious. I have 2 coins. That is enough for the bus. Red means stop. Green means go. But the cars are so fast.
Warning, a car is not stopping.
That was scary. But a king doesn't cry. Mr. Brave, are you wet? I will put you inside my coat. I am your shield.
Another day. Hey, little man, why are you alone? Why are you alone? My boss said the same thing to me today. But look at your bear. He has 1 ear, but you treat him like a king.
Because he is brave.
Then you are a king too. Take this magic whistle. If you see a monster or feel lost, blow it loud. It summons courage.
Excuse me, sir. Are 2 coins enough to get to the red house? The red house?
That's for kings only. And on this bus, kings ride for free. Keep your coins, young man. Seat right behind me.
Peter, your hands are shaking. I'm not scared of the rain, Buttons. I'm scared that Grandma might think I'm noisy, too. Then I will be noisy with you. We will be a noisy team.
Peter? Peter! Where is he? Oh no, he took himself out of the picture. He thought I meant him when I talked about the old radio. I am a terrible mother. To me, it was a joke. To him, it was a heartbreak. I have to find my baby.
Is that a monster, Buttons?
It looks like a monster with 2 glowing eyes.
I am Peter the Brave.
Peter! It's me! It's Mom!
Mom? Did you come to take me to the garbage?
Never. You came from my heart, Peter. Not a box, not the garbage. You grew inside me. You are my treasure, not junk.
But you said I was noisy.
I was talking about the broken radio, my love. I'm so sorry my words hurt you.
Come in, everyone. The cookies are warm.
Peter, let's fix Mr. Brave's ear tonight. A king needs 2 ears to hear how much his mom loves him.
Mission success! Powering down! For a cookie! I'm home. I'm not garbage. I'm Peter.